In this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips with you that I wish I knew when I started trading Forex. These tips are going to completely help anyone that is a beginner trader, if you're an advanced trader, whatever it may be, but I'll see you guys in just a sec. Alright guys, welcome to this video. I have Metro with me. Oh, he's gone. I guess he doesn't want to be in the video. But guys, I'm going to be going over a couple of tips with you guys that I wish I knew when I had started trading Forex. And you guys need to remember, when I started trading Forex, I didn't really have mentors. I didn't have the courses, the education, anything of that matter. So it's awesome that you guys have those things. That's why I have developed all these courses, all this education, and especially this YouTube channel, because it is so much free value that I can give to you guys. And I know that there are a ton of you out there that don't have the money to get started. You don't have any money to invest in the courses, and that's fine. But I want to go over a couple of tips with you guys that will dramatically help you guys out. The first tip is, when you guys start trading, I know a lot of you, when you're on the MetaTrader 4 app, when you're on TradingView, whatever it may be, you see all these currency pairs. And a lot of you think right off the bat, oh, I have to trade every single one of these currency pairs. And that is completely wrong. What I want you guys to focus on is finding 2 currency pairs that you are going to trade. And it's simply like doing anything in life. You can't jump from sport to sport to sport and hope you're going to be a professional soccer player and then hope you're going to be a professional basketball player. You can't go all over the map. So I tell you guys, you should find maximum 2 currency pairs that you're going to trade. And I would definitely recommend finding, first off, a USD pair. Euro USD is a great pair. And if you guys don't know, I'm going to give you a little inside tip. Euro USD and USD JPY, they correlate in opposite directions. So if Euro USD is a buy, then USD JPY is a sell. And if USD JPY is a buy, then Euro USD is a sell. So you can kind of figure out maybe using one of those currency pairs, and when you're doing your analysis on it, you can go back and back test and look at USD JPY or Euro USD. So maybe one of the currency pairs you want to trade is USD JPY. And then when you're trading it, let's say that Euro USD is one of the pairs that we're going to trade. And let's say it's in an uptrend, but we want to get more confirmation that it's going to be a buy. We maybe have a buy signal, and we want to make sure for sure that it's going to be a buy. You can go on to USD JPY, and you can kind of look at the candle formations on USD JPY, the trend that it's at, if it's near support or resistance, so you can kind of analyze and get a better idea on what's going on. The second thing that I'd recommend you guys do is definitely find for your second currency pair more of an exotic pair like GBP JPY. That is a great pair. It is very volatile. That pair moves hundreds of pips at a time, guys. So if you're going to use that pair, make sure that you are always using proper risk management. And that is one of the biggest things that separates the winners in this market and the losers, because so many people come in with the mindset of, I want to make money. I see big Forex traders like me, other big Forex traders out there that are making tons of money, living this crazy lifestyle, and automatically that's what they wrap their mind around, is the whole money-making aspect. So when you guys come into this market, don't really think about the whole money-making aspect. Think about the learning curve, how much you as an individual can learn, how much you can grow. But that's the first tip, guys. Find 2 currency pairs maximum. Definitely use a USD pair like Euro USD, AUD USD, USD JPY, whatever it may be. It's really on personal preference what works for you. Now the second tip I want to give to you guys is figuring out, basically there's 2 things that kind of go into it. The first thing I want to go over is figuring out what time frames you're going to trade off of, and that kind of correlates with your strategy, because if you're using lower time frames like the minute 5, the minute 15, the minute 30, the hour 1, those time frames go on more of a short-term preference, so you would be more of a scalp trader, versus higher time frames like the hour 4, the day 1, the week 1, the month 1. Those are all higher time frames, which more swing traders use. So that's what you guys need to figure out, is what type of trader are you? Are you going to be scalping the market, making those quick profits, 30, 50 pips? Or are you going to be more of a long-term trader, a swing trader, and going for hundreds of pips at a time? I honestly, personally am a swing trader, and that's because when you're scalping the market and you're using those small time frames, it gets very emotional. You tend to look at the charts a lot more than you would if you just enter a trade on the daily time frame and you hold it. You don't really look at your app, you just put your take profit and stop loss. So that's another thing that you guys need to figure out, is what type of trader are you? what time frame are you going to be using. And that's why I say the great thing about having a demo account is you guys can back test. You can constantly be testing at all times and risking your trading account with real money with smaller loss. So another thing that you guys should be doing when you're trading is trading on a demo account. I honestly still trade on a demo account, guys. There's nothing wrong with that. You guys always need to be practicing, perfecting your craft, and then you guys also should be trading on a live account. If you guys don't have more than $300 to put in a trading account, it's pretty much pointless. You can't do much with $100, $200, and even $300, $500. So if you guys do have the money, I would start with $1,000 in your trading account, and I would not recommend putting money in a trading account if you guys are not educated properly. If you've not invested into one of my courses, my Signal chat, you haven't got mentorship from me or anyone else, it's just a risk. You guys are risking money that you're gonna basically lose because you don't have proper education or guidance. So make sure that you guys have your structure set, what time frames you're gonna be trading on, what type of trader you're gonna be. Now the last thing that I want to go over with you guys is what type of sessions are you guys going to be trading. There's 3 sessions. I honestly don't really focus on the Asian session, but the 2 sessions that I really focus on are the London session and the New York session. So if you guys do not know, the London session is basically a point in the market when the market tends to move than other times in the market. So the London session starts at 11 p.m. and it goes all the way till 5 a.m. That is PST time zone. And then the New York session actually opens up right when the London session closes at 5 a.m. and then it goes all the way to 11 a.m. So that's a time in the market when it fluctuates more than others. Other than those sessions, the market kind of consolidates throughout the day, meaning that it doesn't have any big spikes or anything really going on throughout the market unless a news occurrence happens. So another thing that you guys need to figure out is what sessions are you going to be trading. I honestly love to trade New York sessions, and if you guys don't know, I'm going to give you another crucial tip. Usually USD pairs will move more during the New York session, and that's simply because the USD pairs correlate with the time zone. And that's simply because the New York session, it's New York. It correlates with USD pairs. And then other pairs like JPY, CAD, Euro, Chef, other pairs like that, they usually move more during the London session. So take a note of that, and it really all comes down to personal preference and time as well. What times are you going to be waking up? What times are you going to be going to sleep? With me, I'm not really going to be trading London session because it's at 11 p.m. at night. I'm not going to stay up to 11 p.m. all the way to 5 a.m. And you guys honestly shouldn't be doing that as traders. What you guys should be focusing on as traders is figuring out your analysis. You want a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, meaning that your take profit is going to be 3 times bigger than your stop loss. You set your take profit and stop loss, boom, you're done. You do your analysis, you let the trade do its work. And also, guys, when you're trading, you should not be doing more than 10 positions a month. That means you guys should be doing maybe 1 to 3 trades a week. That's why I do my analysis, whether it's Sunday or Tuesday. I do my analysis on my 3 pairs, boom, boom, boom. And then I put my take profit, my stop loss, I hold them, and then I see what happens. Simple as that, guys. You shouldn't be going all over the place trying to trade everything, going all out. There are skills in certain disciplines that you guys need to become a successful trader. And that's why they say 99% of the people that come in this market, they fail. They don't have the right guidance, they don't have mentors, they don't have the right strategies. So it really comes down to figuring out these simple things, and I think these 3 tips are dramatically going to help you guys out. But if you guys did like this video, hit the like, comment below, and if you guys have any questions for me, I'd love if you could comment them below. And guys, my social links are below. Let's stay connected. My Instagram is where I am all the time. And also, guys, I am releasing a new Forex course in the next month on February 20th, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys do not have my current course right now, my group chats, anything like that, there are links below for that. They are on sale as well. And guys, I appreciate you guys subscribing to the family. If you guys have not already, there should be a button below where you guys could hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to be releasing so much more content like this. So if you like this video, subscribe, stay tuned. I'm going to be releasing so much more content like this. But guys, I'll see you on the next video.